Dogs on the beach.
There is always carnage. Good morning. Up and at 'em. Coffee, bacon and eggs. The brekkie. Hasn't rained yet. Apparently a tree dropped down in the night. I can't see it, but when Ona heard it, it woke her up. Didn't wake me up. And yeah, it hasn't rained, so we're fine for the track. It's blue skies. It's beautiful. See?
We have a beautiful morning here. You can hear the birds tweeting. There's lots of little forest birds. Zach's over there making brekkie. It was a very, very beautiful morning. The sun's coming out, warming us up. But I thought I'd better use one of these, because even though this area looks pristine, somebody has decided to go to the effort to bring their rubbish all the way here and put it in this hollow, this hollow, which probably used to have an animal living in it. So I'm going to crawl in there and fill this Respect the Bush bag. You can get these online. I think they were doing a program where they were free for P-platers. We got ours from Drifter, but you can get them from many places. So let's climb in and fill them up. I'll just find somewhere to put you guys so you can see. I wonder how many bags are in there. How many do you think? Sorry, spiders. Getting wet. That is absolutely chock-a-block. And now the animals can enjoy that hollow. In a few weeks, I'd say. Let's take this home.
I can't see a cloud in the sky, so it should be a nice, easy travel out. A few water crossings that we don't want to get in the water for because it's too freezing. Off we go. Just turned around because the navigation system's telling us to go the other way, which is the continue on of this track. I would have thought we had to go out the way we came in.
You never know.
So there must be an easier way to get out by going along the track, which is pretty cool. We can check out the other campsite that we never went to. Got a water crossing.
The big ones.
This might be the other campsite. Very nice. We got another one. We're gonna go across the water again. How many times do we have to cross this river?
There's big ones.
That's deep. I better not get any deeper than that. If there is any more.
Here's another water crossing.
Pretty high up, but it looks like we're still going higher.
Yes, we came off the McAllister River track and now we're on the Butcher Country track. Been on here for a little while and going up and up and up and up. What a view!
Going down. Can't even see where you drive. Alright. had a deep breath because the big descent has finished. Or what I hope it has.
A breath of relief.
Yeah, breath of relief. That's it.
Let's see what's ahead.
A water crossing. Because we need another one. That was a very hard bang. Is the back going to do the same? Because it was that depth. Nothing?
Nothing on my side.
Okay, we weren't in there for long enough. That was good. There's another one in there. You already know there is. You looked at the map. More rocks in the middle too.
Yeah.
Go across it again up here. Look, that one we just went across, now we're going to go that one. I reckon they should just build one bridge. Alright, this is the side we stay on.
Water crossing number 3 on Dingo Hill Track. That wasn't as bad as we anticipated.
No, it was alright.
We've got waterfalls to look at.